this earlier on, but I want to make sure we're helping people as much as we can. So for Louise's benefit, she's a software engineering student. What is the best thing that software engineering students like herself can do to start learning AI? Where would you point her?
Is that for anyone?
Yeah, sorry, Sam. Sorry, I said your name. Sorry.
Oh, sorry. There's actually there are so many great entry-level courses on machine learning. So there's a lot of really good resource out there. I think I did a Udacity course, which was really great, and has probably evolved a lot since then as well. I think just getting the basics down around understanding the difference between like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, neural networks and LLMs, and then some of the risks around them, like hallucinations, and just like the practical applications of those. Like I think that's a really good first step to get to. So I understand how these different models work, not down to the level of kind of the maths or computer science side of it, but I understand where these can be used, and if you're able to recognize in a situation like what type of model might be appropriate, I think that's kind of a good place to be, to recognize that you're at that point.
Perfect. Thanks, Sam. Louise, I hope that helps. Alex, I'll ask you the same question actually. Anything you'd advise in terms of where Louise could go to make sure she's learning AI in the right way?
I think I'll refer back to my answer about this coaching stuff. I think you need to understand first why do you need to start learning AI. I mean, AI meaning learning algorithms about the data-driven learning, etc. Because again, if you want to be like a data scientist, I think my question to you will be the same. Why do you want to be a data scientist? Because the time you'll spend on learning these fundamentals, which you definitely need to learn if you want to become a person who is building AI from scratch, etc., in a company like Meta to create a new foundational model. The question is this what you really want to do? Because you might like more creating the products, maybe a recommender system for marketplaces. And again, to do this, you might need to go with different path. And I know this doesn't really answer this question, but I think this is more important to understand what you really want to do as a person, and then choose the right learning path, maybe apprenticeship, etc. So this is my conviction. This is the right way to do it. But again, my personal take on this.
In terms of platforms, I'd highly recommend Microsoft Learn. So they have a lot of these guided paths, and it's a good entry point into learning the concepts of AI, especially with Azure. Even there are so many things that are already set up, so they can help you get started pretty quickly. But that's from a platform perspective to actually learn. I found that really helpful.
Thanks, Yefim, and Louise. I hope that helped. Right, I want to wrap up and just kind of